Cubit Select enables you and your team to work more efficiently than ever before, organising your information and storing it in one easy-to-access system. Collate all of your quotes in the same place so you can find, inspect and review them with ease. And with no limit to the number of quotes you can include, you can have the confidence of knowing you can access all the details you need without worrying you've missed something. View your quotes by supplier and quickly see their values, status and historical data to help you make better decisions about which suppliers to pick for future jobs. To help manage different versions of your quotes and project revisions, take a snapshot of your job at a specific point in time and switch back at any stage of the project to review the data or to recommence a job from there. Enjoy better data organisation so you can better manage your cost comparisons with Cubit Select.